it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Game here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we're here with Kiprich. Yeah, man. Kiprich, man. Yeah, man. Bad artist, man. You know Kiprich already. With Riot, Bumbleclaw. Riot. Yeah. We're going to jump in the one and see what Kipo have to say. In other one, yeah, I'm sure knows that it's not going to be normal because Kipo is Kipo. And when Kipo says something, Kipo mean it. And it's convicted. Let's go, man. Let's go. It's a music video as well. The audio track dropped a couple days ago, and I never react to it because I look already did the video I shoot. So that's why I wait on the video. I'm gonna listen to the audio. So let's jump in on it and see what the G said. Let's go.
And try to get me down. It tries so hard to run me out my own town.
No behavior music. Keep up. Keep on living that.
Tries so hard to run me out my.
How the place a quiet so.
Oh.
How the place a quiet so.
Oh.
Make we start a riot now. Make we start a riot now. How the place a quiet so. How the place a quiet so. Make we start a riot now. Me say be a word a true, but nobody nah pick. Cause that a for the youths, not for daddy pan stick. Them a new fans and nobody can trick. Being tone make a step, everybody gone quick. Come on now, give the man a little break now, man. 13 years under the prison program. Remember you did borrow that from yellow man. No disrespect, but you have it too long. So if you want war, give for the fun. Make we give the place the recall showdown. Ling would a love to see we shade the ground.
Yo, pull up. Let's go. Let's log it.
It tries so hard to run me out my own town. It's fighting for the throne. It tries so hard to run me out my.
How the place a quiet so. How the place a quiet so. Make we start a riot now.
Make we start a riot now.
How the place a quiet so. How the place a quiet so. Make we start a riot now. Me say be a word a true, but nobody nah pick. Cause that a for the youths, not for daddy pan stick. Them a new.
Them say be a word a true, but nobody now pick. He must say, oh, that a for the youths them. Not enough for elder, and enough for big man pan, enough for daddy pan stick, enough for grandma, enough for grandfather we walk.
Be a word a true, but nobody nah pick. Cause that a for the youths, not for daddy pan stick. Them a new fans and nobody can trick. Being tone make a step, everybody gone quick. Come on now, give the man a little break now, man. 13 years under the prison program. Remember you did borrow that from yellow man. No disrespect, but you have it too long.
Beanie Man, are you the man attack? Man, so remember say they borrowed from Beanie Man. From Yellow Man, sorry. Remember say they borrowed from Yellow Man. No disrespect, but that's too long. Send on, give to somebody else now that the G said to blood clot. Beanie! Remember say, well, let's apart.
Everybody gone quick. Come on now, give the man a little break now, man. 13 years under the prison program. Remember you did borrow that from yellow man. No disrespect, but you have it too long. So if you want war, give for the fun. Make we give the place the recall showdown.
Bobo Clan, but I call out Beanie. Beanie, the man say if you want a war, make it start yes, so. Make it start yes, so. Give me something, Beanie. Give me something to blood clot. War with Kipo. Yeah, man, war with Kipo, because we know you can't do it in a Beanie. Man, you and Beanie in the dog. Make it war with Kipo, man.
Long. So if you want war, give for the fun. Make we give the place the recall showdown. Ling would a love to see we shade the ground. Member Sting only postpone, Sting never done.
Member say, Sting only postpone, Sting never done. A true. But me just Sting a sell. I wonder if Joe Bogdanovich go buy Sting. Because the money I buy out everything, you know. So I wonder if I go buy Sting. But anyway, that's not the point. What me I say still, out of the whole of the dancehall artists them, we do this thing here. This are youth here, him have one of the clearest clarity with me here in our music. Keep a clarity always clear in all I'm song them. You can hear everything what the G say. So I have to listen to hard. Then you the man attack me here clearly. Man say, yo, make you start your war, yeah, so. Zagazao. Yo, let's go.
Go down, Ling would I love to see we shade the ground. Member sting only postpone, sting never done. Chances have been needed spoil when him a grow. Everywhere you go, you want try overthrow. Dream.
The man say this spoil when you grow. The man say if you never get a mile of tea before you get your ball. The man say if you play ball outside and somebody kick the ball over the fence, you start cry. You say you want your ball to carry home because it not go your way. Being the man say you bally. Being the man say you spoil. The man say you egg. The man say you setting full egg with the full him just walk out. I never say them something than me. But alright, being a big person.
Chances have been needed spoil when him a grow. Everywhere you go, you want try overthrow. Dream never get invite to the show, man. Take it too hard, now I be a what a throw.
Beanie. Them say. Beanie. Keep say. Because you never get invite to Freedom Street, you take it too hard. I'm Bex. Him say, he never say you Vex, he say you Bex. Remember say Bex bigger than Vex. Him man say because you never get invite to Freedom Street, you take it to Ark, a bounty go and perform and you never get no invite. And you never get no free ticket neither. Not like you need free ticket because you're rich and union being man. But that's where that's where the premiums are come from. That's how I keep on just saying. Listen to it again if you think a joke. Listen.
Thing never done. Chances have been needed spoil when him a grow. Everywhere you go, you want try overthrow. Dream never get invite to the show, man. Take it too hard, now I be a what a throw.
Oh, rascal, I never. Alright, sorry, Beanie. I think of that to keep on this say. I think of that in this say. I'm sorry.
Overthrow. Dream never get invite to the show, man. Take it too hard, now I be a what a throw. We never hear killer war for the king. And look how much heart this general bring.
True.
Never see Shaggy bring a you to the thing, but me see Sean Paul all sign ching ching.
Facts.
Be a what a throw. We never hear killer war for the king. And look how much heart this general bring. Never see Shaggy bring a you to the thing, but me see Sean Paul all sign ching ching.
Yep.
How the place a quiet so. How the place a quiet so. Make we start a riot now. Make we start a riot now. How the place a quiet so. How the place a quiet so. Make we start a riot now. Give the youth them apply when them ask see the strength. The dancers them forget better treatment.
Yeah.
And them a dance all you know see it evident. Some man don't go link them when career tent.
That's true. I saw some honesty if it's true. On a link up the dancer them one time. On have a song I try promote, I try come back in the business. After the business go bench, you know. Yes, substitute, you know. That at the time when I try use the dancer them and then try pay the dancer them little or nothing. Or try ask for their favor. Now boy can't call me ask me for no favor about your G do no reaction. Money! Bumbleclaw money! The boy can't use me over your son, no. And the boy can't buy me out neither. You can't buy me out neither. Music myself over your son. Yes, money. Blood clot.
It meant a them a dance all, you know, see it evident. Some man don't go link them when career tent. Enough get up people the TikTok feed, but some a pray for the TikTok leave. You see bad mind is a terrible disease, and that's why no forget hurt for the cheese.
Yo, I'm glad to TikTok forward back. Enough youth. Even though them up on TikTok I cuss each other and rare, me not pray that. Me I pray the bigger picture. Enough youth could have out there the wrong thing, but them up on TikTok and take up them phone and say, yo, beg your thing, beg your. Oh, not give them. So, for not give them, them are going to continue doing it. So, big up the G them on TikTok, we are doing it. Big up on yourself.
Leave. You see, bad mind is a terrible disease, and that's why no forget hurt for the cheese. Call for the hype industry police. RP call your name and your boss for the week. Them try like.
Well, on the man.
Call for the hype industry police. RP call your name and your boss for the week. Them try lock me out like I walk me for sick, but me sang them big like a truck for the street.
Call for the hype industry police. Sir P call your name and your boss for the week. Then try lock me out, but me sang them big like a truck for the street. Blood clot. That's one time I need to hear it, you know. I keep on the cinnamon. Clarity peak, you know.
Hurt for the cheese. Call for the hype industry police. RP call your name and your boss for the week. Them try lock me out like I walk me physique, but me sang them big like a truck for the street. I'm a guy hypocrite in the music. If you head no firm, you will lose it.
Sure.
You give them your heart, then reuse it, then refuse it. Terror for be no prove it. How the place a quiet so.
Big up Terror.
How the place a quiet so. Make we start a riot now. Make we start a riot now. How the place a quiet so. How the place a quiet so. Make we start a riot now.
Try to get me down. They try so hard to run me out my own town. They're fighting for the crown. They try so hard to run me out my
Talking with G. Bumbleclaw. One. Keep.
Ray-Ban will shoot you in a way.
Ray-Ban, big up yourself. Hear me I say. Beanie, you got answer Keeper? Keeper HV War. Cartel not answer you now, bro. Cartel not gonna answer you, bro. Cartel not gonna do that. So, Keeper say him free. Keeper say him have all that free time. Keeper say him have all that free time right now. So start a war with him. Yeah. Start a war with him. Make him show you a thing or two. That Keeper say. Keeper also say you bad mind. Keeper also say you get heart attack because him never invited you to Freedom Street. Keeper say you bad mind from. No, you spoil. Him say you spoil. Him say you spoil from your little boy you grow up. Him say a bag of things. Yes. But what you say, Beanie? What you say? You go talk? You go go in the studio go drop song for Keeper too? Or you go laugh it off? What you go do? People, what one thing Beanie I go do? Let me know in the comment section now, please. Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more binds, span them and do what? Def them.